一二三，红花当然配绿叶，这一辈子谁来陪？渺渺茫。
I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump that. Make you pump like that. Make you.
उनसे मिलेंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे, ये सोचा न समझा न जाना है। शायद कहे ऐसे उनका हमेशा से सर आंखों पर ही ठिकाना है।
Cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed home. Cause now there ain't no letting you go.
This is the world's first all-in-one vacuum and mop. Once it maps out your home, you can tell it what to clean and what to avoid. It knows when the paths get too dirty, so it returns to the station, washes them, and continues mopping from where it left.
心心念念的空气炸锅来了，4升大重量，适合4到6口之家，360度热循环风。平时咱们烤鸡翅、烤蛋挞、红薯、烤鱼、烤肉、烤虾，用它都可以，烤得还快，色泽和口感都很赞。
Uber on the way. pictures, make sure you can't see no less. That wig secure like the money in a safe. I look like babe, now I'm on the way. Let you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please.
Made so you bag them. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening?
Oh, so I put on a color, makes me happy like no other. Yeah.
Yeah, you're making me your boy with love. All on my mind, all on my mind. You got me high so fast. 내 전부 함께 하고 싶어. All on my mind. Hush. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the same.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last. All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. And I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count.
I'm filled with flaws and attitudes. So if you need perfect, give it to me like.
喜欢吃辣椒不喜欢吃籽的，一定要入手一个这样的取芯器，只需一转一拉，完整去除辣椒籽。不止辣椒，苦瓜也可以，这样做的辣椒超好吃。
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
家里有墙的，一定要贴几个这种可爱的猪鼻子，这样拖把的刷等清洁工具就可以直接上墙了，干净整洁，还不占空间，旁边的小钩子还能挂鞋刷等小物件，真的非常方便。